Welcome back, history enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Historic Sites. In today's episode, we dive into the depths of Nez Perce National Historical Park in Montana, a treasure trove of Native American history and natural beauty. Nez Perce National Historical Park spans over 38 sites across 4 different states, preserving the rich heritage of the Nez Perce people. This park stands as a testament to their resilience, cultural traditions, and their deep connection with the land. The story of Nez Perce National Historical Park begins with the Nez Perce Tribe, who have inhabited the region for thousands of years. The park's name is derived from the French term Nez Perce, meaning pierced nose, a misinterpretation of the tribe's distinct facial piercings. One of the most iconic figures in Nez Perce history is Chief Joseph. Known as Hinmutu by his people, he was a legendary leader who fought tirelessly to protect his tribe's ancestral lands. It was during the Nez Perce War of 1877 that Chief Joseph and his people embarked on a remarkable 1,170-mile journey, attempting to escape the grasp of the U.S. Army. This grueling journey, known as the Nez Perce Trail, took them through the beautiful landscapes we see today in the park. The Nez Perce Trail is an important part of the park's history. It follows the footsteps of Chief Joseph and his band, marking moments of triumph, tragedy, and resilience. Walking this trail allows visitors to connect with the past while immersing themselves in the natural beauty that once witnessed this historic event. Within the park lies the Big Hole National Battlefield. The Big Hole National Battlefield in Wisdom, Montana, holds immense historical significance as it commemorates a tragic event that occurred during the Nez Perce War in 1877. This site serves as a reminder of the devastating conflict between the Nez Perce Tribe and the U.S. Army, which had a profound impact on Native American history. During the Nez Perce War, the United States government sought to remove the Nez Perce Tribe from their ancestral lands and confine them to a reservation. However, Chief Joseph, a prominent leader of the Nez Perce, resisted these forced relocations and attempted to lead his people to safety in Canada. As Chief Joseph and his tribe were making their way through the mountainous regions of Idaho, a detachment of the U.S. Army, led by Colonel John Gibbon, ambushed their camp near the Big Hole River in present-day Montana. The attack occurred early in the morning of August 9, 1877, catching the Nez Perce by surprise. The U.S. Army soldiers unleashed a barrage of gunfire upon the sleeping camp, causing chaos and panic among the Nez Perce. Despite the element of surprise, the Nez Perce quickly organized a defense and fought back, exhibiting exceptional bravery and tactics. The battle that unfolded at Big Hole National Battlefield was fierce and intense, with both sides sustaining significant casualties. The Nez Perce, although outnumbered and caught off guard, fought valiantly to protect their families, their traditions, and their way of life. Despite their best efforts, they were eventually overwhelmed by the superior firepower and resources of the U.S. Army. The battle at the Big Hole National Battlefield was a turning point in the Nez Perce War. It marked a devastating blow to the Nez Perce tribe's resistance and their hopes of reaching safety in Canada. Following their defeat at Big Hole, Chief Joseph and his people continued their arduous journey, engaging in several more battles and skirmishes with the U.S. Army. The battle at Big Hole left many Nez Perce and U.S. soldiers dead or wounded. Today, this somber battlefield serves as a reminder of the hardships faced by the Nez Perce people and the enduring spirit that lives on. Another important site within the park is Bear Paw Battlefield in Chinook, Montana, where Chief Joseph and his band made their final stand against the U.S. Army. Despite their bravery and determination, they were ultimately outnumbered and forced to surrender just 40 miles shy of the Canadian border. The tragic events that took place at the Big Hole National Battlefield and throughout the Nez Perce War had a profound impact on the Nez Perce Tribe and Native American history as a whole. The Big Hole National Battlefield now serves as a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made and the tragic consequences of the conflict. Bear Paw Battlefield stands as a testament to the Nez Perce people's struggle for survival and their unwavering commitment to their ancestral lands. It is a place of reflection and remembrance for those who visit. Nez Perce National Historical Park not only tells the story of the tribe's turbulent history, but also showcases their vibrant cultural traditions. At the park, you can find a wealth of artifacts and exhibits that highlight the Nez Perce people's rich heritage. From traditional dances and music to intricate beadwork and basketry, The Nez Perce people's artistic expressions are celebrated within the park. Don't miss the opportunities to witness these captivating cultural displays during your visit. Beyond its historical significance, Nez Perce National Historical Park boasts stunning natural landscapes that will take your breath away. Explore pristine rivers, verdant valleys, and majestic mountains as you venture through the park. Wildlife thrives within the park, offering countless opportunities for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. Keep your eyes peeled for deer gracefully grazing, elk majestically roaming, and birds soaring through the skies. Hiking enthusiasts will be in their element at Nez Perce National Historical Park. Discover a network of scenic trails that wind through diverse ecosystems, providing breathtaking views and a chance for quiet contemplation. Camping, fishing, and picnicking are also popular activities within the park. Spend a night under the starry sky, cast your line in the sparkling waters, or simply relax with a picnic surrounded by the beauty of nature. To truly immerse yourself in the history and natural wonders of Nez Perce National Historical Park, consider joining a guided tour. Knowledgeable rangers will provide valuable insights, helping you to gain a deeper understanding of the significance of this special place. As the sun sets over the park, casting a warm glow on the landscape, take a moment to reflect on the incredible stories and experiences you've encountered. Nez Perce National Historical Park is a place of remembrance, resilience, and cultural celebration. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Historic Sites if you learned anything today. Until next time, stay curious, my friends.